Hey guys, Dan here and welcome back to another video and another reaction. And today we're gonna be reacting to Cooking with Chainsaw. This is a video made by a YouTuber that goes by Life of Boris, by a channel that goes Life of Boris. But I think the video is very self-explanatory. I just do not know what they're gonna be cooking. But I have to say, I want to see how all of this goes. But guys, if you guys want to support the original video, please be sure to go ahead to the link down below and watch it. It will be in the description. And be sure to give him a like. It's gonna be very interesting to see how all of this turns out. And if you want to support this channel, just be sure to give a like on this video, share the video, subscribe, check other videos on the channel, and be sure to have fun. This is the most important part. And this video was suggested by darkcorruption on the Discord, so thanks a lot, corruption. And I don't think there's anything more to talk about. I'm really curious to see where this all goes. And I really want to see if he needs only to cut everything with the chainsaw or if he also needs to get them to the pot with the chainsaw. That would be even more challenging. But without further ado, let's go. Ooh, that's loud.
Yes, Boris!
Well, I guess he's Russian.
Okay. No. Welcome to the culinary world of what Yugoslavic cooking.
Oh, it's Slavic.
Today we make soup.
There goes the water.
To do it Boris way. No knives, no hatchet, just Boris. And one small friend.
Not such a small friend.
Ready. First off, before
Yeah,
we
don't
get
try this
chainsaw
at
going,
home.
we get fire going. Make your own or save time. Drill some hole in wall and wait for your neighbor to burst into flame.
I don't think that's a very safe way to make fire.
For this recipe we need exactly 2.5 ковшик of water. Whatever the meaning you call this big spoon in English. Do you call it? Let's start the boiling. Well, you can actually blast this water with some mayonnaise, but not today. This is regular.
Damn, look at all the
Now that we
ashes.
have come this far, it is time to take break. Shall break, but he's not cooking with us, video, блядь. Boom! Water from rivers of Chernobyl. No квас this time. Cheers, Canva. Now you probably heard of hatchet soup. Yeah, no fairy tale where the guy comes to do бабушка с хатин.
He's gonna be cutting all the potatoes with the chainsaw now. I thought I thought for a second he was going to try to open the bottle with the chainsaw.
Did you have? And me, I just happen to have this chainsaw ready to go.
Not so ready to go. But I can see why this video has so many views. The guy is very charismatic.
And this way we brought benzene for whole day. Let's try this again. Now we're making progress.
You got one.
And from looks of it, some very beautiful, pathetic light. Ой,
I think it's kind of funny that looking on the inside by the pattern of the chainsaw, the potato actually looks nicely cut.
It's supposed to be challenge. Jeez, why do you even use knives?
And it looks
anymore?
like pineapple pieces. Yeah. Yeah, there you go. You should use
See,
you
when
should
we make
use
this
that.
kind of slop here, we can prevent from vegetable rotting away. Let's try this out.
I thought it was going to maybe get like a nail and a hammer and nail the thing to the actual log before trying to cut it. Jesus, you're cutting more of the log than the actual potato. I think is that enough potato?
But we make it work. Rinse off the sawdust and dirt off this
Oh, yeah.
fallen comrades.
Well,
Or
not the
dark
dirt,
if you
the
want
actual
it extra
wood.
flavor.
Watching this reminds me of that, I don't remember the channel, I think it's How to Basic, maybe? That it was like a channel that it would show him trying to do basic things, but he would ended up slapping and breaking them. And I remember that because there was a video of how to make a sandwich.
This is more precision than with a knife. Oh, it is nice.
You missed one.
Onion is my favorite character of
I thought that was an egg. I really hope that he doesn't try to cut an egg with the chainsaw.
But how is it to cut with chainsaw?
But I think there is some justice by cutting an onion with the chainsaw. Because I've tried to do that, but I cannot stand peeling onions. I start to cry or to tear up every time, and it's so annoying.
So бабушка heard I was making soup outside, and she put
Oh, cabbages.
with that cabbage. And now I have a cabbage. Thank you, бабушка.
Looking at the cabbage actually reminds me a lot of the Legend of Aang. Avatar: The Last Airbender. Then you're gonna need to clean that chainsaw later.
This is where the money from Patreon goes to. Chainsaws, carrots, and new pen. What is next? Cooking with brick. Whoa! Bushes of flour. Now you just sit very still and let Papa.
I am a
watch
little
through
bit
the
skeptical about this one. Most of it is actually going to the...
Okay, we have some potatoes. We have some carrots. There is even some... Ah, shit.
We need
There
more
is even some
firewood.
cabbage. And water from бабушка as well. But make a boy, it is missing, suka. Now, as you all know, the meat actually go in first. This way it will have time to give its flavor to all the other components. But as you can see, we're using one cutting board for all things. So meat come last. But not before we do small buterbrot. Small sandwich for making time go bad fast. And of course, with the chainsaw. I mean, come on. What could possibly
Wait,
go
I
wrong?
am a little bit confused with that. There's a little piece of bread.
Hey, nice.
So he's gonna
Shit.
try to make a sandwich? I don't think I got all the subtitles correctly because I tried to listen, but with his
Of course,
accent
we
and
take
me not
buterbrot,
being
it will be.
not having English as my first language, it's already a little bit more difficult.
Like a chainsaw through
So it's like a
Killing
little
extra
dinner
flour.
in one,
Nice.
right?
Bring that a big
like-
form, please. If I could get 5 centimeters
With a big
thick
salami.
slice of sausage with that, then yes, should be no problem. Эти нафосись выходили доктор
There's a
sausage.
very big
Shit,
piece
how
of-
much- Бабушка, how did you sauce? May we bring on tomato after
Oh
that?
no.
Not exactly the level of precision we're used to here, but it will do. What, you thought I forgot? Of course it's mayonnaise.
Oh no, not the mayo.
You know what, for buterbrot...
Yeah, that's
chainsaw,
probably the best
it looks
idea.
strange a lot like buterbrot. I normally make it home. Ah yes, some Chernobyl rainwater for courage. I call it the Tower of Taste. О, опа. Even better than cooking with eggs.
Oh, it looks disgusting. This sandwich looks totally disgusting.
Okay, it's time to
But the
this
soup,
packet.
I have hope for the
Actually,
soup.
Ded Moroz Boris has salt! Ah, shit, my favorite spice! I'm sure some went in. Let's see what else we have. What is something deep inside? Black pepper, sure, why not? It is not what we're looking for, baby. Opa! The legendary crooked bay leaf for maximum taste. Or maybe two.
The legendaries.
And when you come to what should have been the first one in this list, the pork rib.
I wonder if he actually cutting me with chainsaw not for YouTube audience. Oh really? Did it got like demonetized? Or did he have to remove it to maintain his monetization? Damn, really? Oh, that's so sad. Watching the soup get ready, Slavic edition.
Okay, let me see here. Fire is burning good. Let's check the sauce. Ой, бля. This is some good looking soup.
I am a little
Carrots
bit-
are clearly done. Meat almost ready. Broth looking like бабушка made it. Is that бабушка?
Babushka, I know, is
Cooking
granny,
soup on
like,
open
I think it's
flame
granny.
With a chainsaw. Бабушка, you are full of surprise. Delicious.
Okay, now that's a very cool looking fire, I have to say. That's a very good camera. I hope to one day be able to record with a camera like that.
dinner is ready. It only took me like 15 hours. No, just 2 hours. Ah, it smells nice. It all makes sense now. That's the бабушка's recipe. It's the soup that is always boiling and never runs out. But how бабушка has to bar the wield the chainsaw will be mystery forever. Man, I wish I could.
I don't think it's a good idea for you to eat
Well,
that.
Here goes a sample. Chainsaw soup by Boris. Yeah, it's not bad. Shit, I should open one soup stand. Please forget the чебурек. Chainsaw soups by Boris. And the streets of
I can
Moscow.
imagine like,
To go
okay,
on
let's try it. Every time
passion
you put a
night.
spoon, you just,
Oh, yeah.
"Ugh!"
Well, thank you for the challenge. my
And that's
friend.
why he
Or
needs to
should I even
cut.
call this a challenge? Or just dinner? Let's go dinner. Seriously, we should just replace all knives with chainsaws at home. You get power and skill of cooking at the same time. Okay, just let me know what challenge you want to see next. Making cake with scissors or decorating gingerbread with boxing gloves.
That actually
Till
looks
then,
kind of fun,
stay tuned,
making
thank you
a
for
cake with
watching. See you
scissors.
next time.
Oh, I was not expecting this like to end up in such horrendous soup. I had hopes. I had hopes for the soup to be a good looking one, but yeah, I guess was right. But the video was very entertaining to watch. This guy, he has a few million subscribers, and I can see why he's very charismatic. But hey, guys, I hope you guys like the reaction because I don't know, but I don't feel like soup anymore. But guys, thanks so much for coming. Be sure to give a like to the original video and watch it too. Give a like to Boris. And if you want to, please leave a like on this video. Can we get 5 likes? Leave a comment, share the video, subscribe, and be sure to have a good day. Hope to see you guys next time and on many more videos to come. Okay? Bye!